One of the many things that I owe to Henry Sapoznik and KlezKamp. I met Deborah here in the early '90s, and I was unattached at the time, and kind of between relationships, and I saw her playing. It was at the old Paramount, where KlezKamp started, and this was my second home. I mean, I kind of lived all year for KlezKamp. So I was between relationships, and as I say, and I saw this amazing violinist on stage, and I just couldn't believe, one, how she was playing, but also how beautiful she was. I mean, and still is. It was really like, oh my God! I mean, love at first sight may be officially a myth, but it wasn't in this case. It was really like unbelievable. So of course, being a resourceful person, I asked around, and I found out the disturbing news that someone said, I think she's going out with a friend of yours. Well, that was true. She was. But then there was a certain point in which she and I were both single, and we started talking on the phone, and she was in ethnomusicology school at University of Chicago then, and I was thinking about becoming an ethnomusicologist, and so there was a real reason to call her. There was a little bit of an ulterior motive, it was like, so I was calling her ostensibly to ask her about ethnomusicology school, and but we got to talking, and once we both were single, or unattached rather, I said to her, well, just sounds so cheesy, but it didn't feel like it, but like, well, why don't you come visit me in Boston? We can play music. And she said, sure, when, so so she came to, and we played music. So anyway, that's how we got together.